Welcome to another how-to video for XM Cloud. This one's on how to build a component. So we're going to start by going to this Tools tab here, and we're going to go into the Component Builder, which is this one called Components. Once you're in, you're going to see all of your collections and all your components that already exist. We're going to start by creating a new component from scratch. So this button here in the top right, we're going to add a component, and then we're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it How to Demo Component. You can add a description here as well, and then also choose the collection that you're adding this component to. I'm going to keep this component in the XM Cloud Academy collection, which we've previously used for some training. And then you're going to save it, and then we're going to click on this top placeholder image to start editing. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click into the white space, and we're going to adjust the grid sizing. So I only want 1 row and 2 columns. We're going to create a banner from scratch. It's going to be a hero type campaign banner. Our demo site at the moment is set up as a fake skate shop, so we're going to do something revolving around that. Next step is we're going to add an element, and we want to start by adding a card. We're going to append inside section, and there we go, there's our card. We're going to add the text, which we're going to have as shop the summer sale. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a background image. So we want to switch this tab from none to static. And we're going to change the image. And I'm going to use this image I have here, Skate Hero banner. There we go. And now our banner's behind, our banner has an image. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust our text slightly. So we're going to double click on our text, and we're going to change that to heading 1. The fonts and the size of the fonts and the colors will all be determined by your styling. So yeah, I've just got our default theme styling here. And then I'm going to center it. So I'm going to go to text settings, and we're going to center that text as well. Obviously, wouldn't normally have it in black over this image, but that's what our styling is. And just as an example, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add another element. So we're going to add here, we're going to add a button into the card. So instead of clicking on the white space, we're clicking within the card, and we're putting add element. And we are going to add a button. And then we're just going to select within the card, and we're going to add at the end of the card. Next, we want to make sure that our button's centered. So we're going to do this by clicking on the card. We're going to go to layout and alignment, and horizontal